I want to give you a brief overview here of the new Rebel theme and why we think it's special. First off, you're going to notice that this theme is very, very simple and intuitive. Not that it's not feature packed, but the emphasis here is going above and beyond to simplify things. And the first thing that you'll notice is while this is based off of Boost, we do not have a whole bunch of drop down menus or sidebars other than the messaging. That's the only thing that kind of slides out on you. Um, we have gone to great lengths to really take what some feedback that we gotten and really revamp how Moodle looks. And the Rebel theme here goes against the standard Boost layouts that you're familiar with. And let me tell you why. So when you first log in, what we've done is we've provided all of the relevant links that used to be hidden in user dropdown in the upper right, but now we've made them plain and obvious. So if I log in as a student, I can very quickly I can quickly click the grades button and it shows me my grades. Okay. There's some beautifully styled um, breadcrumbs up at the top that help you get around. And you'll also notice that we have this sidebar menu here, and it never leaves your side. As you scroll down, it sticks with you, and you can very quickly access all of your courses, and they're organized by last access. Um, and so there is a variety of different things you can do here. We'll go back to the dashboard and we're just going to hop into a course and we'll see what that looks like in the course view. I should point out that if you are a course creator, on the homepage, this special button appears for you to create a new course. Likewise, if you use the Easy Enrollment plugin, you can click this right here, type in a code, and enroll yourself into any of these courses that you see here. That is a plugin that we developed to work alongside our themes that we developed. When you're in a course, okay, and this is one that I just kind of downloaded, again, the layout is very simple, very clean. Now, we're right here at week 4. I'm going to turn editing on, and you notice that it returned me right to week 4. Okay, if I wanted to add a block, I could do so like that. Okay. Um, and I'll turn editing off, and we're right back here to week 4. The other cool thing that we've integrated is the course dashboard made popular in the Fortson theme. That is also here. And so we've provided this. This is what you see as the teacher. If we switch our role to the student, this is what they see. They see their progress. If that's enabled, they can see a couple of relevant links. They would see gradebook. However, in this course, I have it set to hide the gradebook, and they can contact the teacher. That is the student dashboard. Excuse me. So I'm going to return to my normal role, and we're going to head over to the site admin because I want to show you the settings for this. Now, in the settings for the Rebel theme, you can show or hide the header images. So if a teacher uploads an image, it would replace this blue header area with an image. However, unlike the Fortson theme, in this theme, we recommend you just keep it off because it is simpler to use on the end user, and we provide a different way to customize that look at the top of the page. So for instance, this right here is really just a transparent textured background So that is French stucco. I could try, let's try Diamonds Light. Okay, we'll do this. And at the bottom of the page in the footer, you'll notice that it looks like a notepad. That is a notepad texture. So we can change that one as well. I have no idea what we're doing here. We'll do plaid. We'll do plaid, I guess. Again, there's over 99 different textures you can pick from, giving you a lot of customization. Before I save this, though, we're going to go through some of the other areas of interest on this page. Um, on the main dashboard and any site pages, you can upload a custom header image here. And the default course tile image. So if a teacher does not upload an image, you can upload one here, and that is used by default. You have login page alerts, and you can also put in a message for the teachers in the teacher dashboard as well as the students. Great thing to do is like when it comes time to reset their course, do backups, those kinds of things. You can put reminders in here as well as links to step sheets, that kind of stuff. Let's hop over to another page here. We'll go over all these settings. The branding settings. You can upload a logo, which is what you see in the upper right. You can put in your organization name, some information there. That all appears down here in the footer area. We do provide some basic color choosers. So for the major areas, such as the top nav bar background, that's this area right here, this dark blue, you can change that. The header background color, that's this big blue area here. The header links, that would be this area right here with these buttons, as well as the sidebar background for these buttons and the footer. Now, we've also provided all of the SCSS variables that we utilize in this theme. So if you wanted to change some of the items, you can do so right here. And those are all provided for you. Okay, and the last page in the settings is the login page. So you can choose to use the custom login and provide some additional information that is displayed on there. So I did change the textures for the header and the footer, and so we're just going to click that, let it refresh itself, purge all the caches, kind of do its thing, and we're going to hit reload here, and voila. You notice that this top header changed. It's now a cube design, and down here at the bottom we have plaid. Okay, those wouldn't be my choices, however, to each their own. You'll notice the breadcrumbs here at the top. We can take those all the way back to the dashboard, and here we are. So, in a nutshell, that is the new Rebel theme version 1.6 available for Moodle 3.9 and 3.10, courtesy of the Dearborn Public Schools. You'll notice we have a couple of themes going on between the Fortson theme and this theme. But we do think that there is a time and a place for both. This one is very, very intuitive. The feedback that we've gotten from other people using it is that they really enjoyed how simple it was for their users to get around. There's less buttons, which means less areas to cause confusion. And that was the goal. And this is Rebel.